Hello everyone. So how are you guys? I have received messages from many of you to make a video on environmental conventions and protocols. So here it is. I am a national memory champion and I help students learn the topics very easily, very quickly and for a long period of time. So in case you want me to come up with a specific topic, you can mention it in the comment section below. Also, I have made videos on very important topics like sources of Indian Constitution, economic curves, national parks, fundamental duties, etc., etc. So do look at them as well. And please share and subscribe my channel if you have not done yet. Let's begin with today's topic. So environmental conventions and protocols. The first one is Ramsar Convention. So what technique we'll be following is that the things that we cannot see, for example, conventions, these are theoretical things. We cannot see them. So how interesting it would be if I can turn it into something that I can visualize. For example, Ramsar. Ram and Sar is Sir. Ramji ka Sir or Ramji. If I can make a code for Ramsar as Lord Ram and now I associate it with wetlands. For example, Ramsar, so Ramji, just imagine that Lord Ram and imagine wetlands for wetlands, गीली मिट्टी. So now we'll make a story that जब Lord Ram चाहते हैं तभी बारिश होती है and मिट्टी गीली होती है. When farmer wants rain, he prays to Lord Ram and when Lord Ram fulfills his wish, then rain comes and the lands get wet. So wet lands. We can break it into two, wet and lands. So Ramsar, Lord Ram and wetlands, गीली मिट्टी. So Lord Ram की कृपा से मिट्टी गीली होती है, बारिश आती है और मिट्टी गीली होती है. So wetlands. Then Basel Convention. Base, we can pick this base from Basel Convention. Air base हम सब imagine कर सकते हैं, air base. So Convention on the Control of Transboundary Movements of Hazardous Wastes and Their Disposal. Hazardous wastes. Now just remember or just create a picture in your mind that air base पे hazardous waste रखना मना होता है, right? वर्जित होता है कि आप hazardous waste या उनका disposal नहीं कर सकते air base पर. So Basel Convention is for Convention on the Control of Transboundary Movements of Hazardous Wastes and Their Disposal. Then comes the Bonn Convention. Bonn. अब हम इसको क्या कर सकते हैं? बॉन्ड को हम बॉन्ड कर सकते हैं, BONN को हम अपने लिए बॉन्ड कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, बॉन्ड. अब बॉन्ड क्या होता है? जब इफ अ चाइल्ड टेक्स बर्थ, सो एवरीवन इज वेरी हैप्पी. नाउ द मदर डज नॉट वांट टू गिव हर चाइल्ड टू हर रिलेटिव. अगर कोई मासी, दादा, मामा कोई आके कहता है कि 1 महीने के लिए हम बच्चे को अपने पास रख लें, तो मम्मा कहती है नहीं नहीं नहीं, ही इज वेरी डियर टू मी और शी इज वेरी डियर टू मी. So conservation of migratory species of wild animals. Migratory species basically. हमें सिर्फ कीवर्ड याद रखने. अगर हम कीवर्ड पकड़ पाएंगे, अगर हमें एक हिंट मिल गया, so naturally we will be able to reach the answers, right? So conservation of migratory species. That means माँ अपने बच्चे को migrate नहीं होने देती, अपने घर से दूसरे घर नहीं जाने देती. So Bonn Convention is born, baby is birth, baby has come out in this life. So baby has taken birth and finally उसको हम migrate नहीं होना देना चाहते. So conservation of migratory species. Then the next one is Cartagena Protocol. Cartagena, cart. Can you see this cart? Like toy cart or bullock cart, we can say horse cart, bullock cart. अब it is an international environmental protocol on biosafety to the Convention on Biological Diversity. Biosafety, biological. Now if we say that cow cart or bullock cart, so we say that cow dung is very sacred. वो biofertilizer बना सकते हैं हम उसका. So biological diversity, biosafety and biological diversity. So with this biological, हम कार्ट को बुलक कार्ट इमेजिन कर सकते हैं. फ्रॉम बुलक कार्ट वी कैन से जो काउ डंग होता है वी प्रिजर्व इट फॉर बायो फर्टिलाइजर. सो बायोलॉजिकल डाइवर्सिटी. देन नगोया प्रोटोकॉल. लेट्स मेक समथिंग वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग आउट ऑफ इट. नगोया, गोया. गोया को वी कैन टर्न इनटू गोवा एंड गोवा इज फेमस फॉर इट्स बीचेस. पीपल प्रेफर ड्रिंकिंग एल्कोहल, ड्रिंकिंग वाइन ऑन द बीचेस ऑफ गोवा. सो हम इसको कैसे रिलेट करेंगे? International Environment Protocol on Access to Genetic Resources and Fair and Equitable Sharing of Benefits Arising from their Utilization to the Convention on Biological Diversity. Now, genetic resources and equitable sharing are the keywords over here. तो हम इसको क्या करेंगे? गोवा गोवा पे जस्ट इमेजिन यू आर ड्रिंकिंग वाइन ऑन द बीच ऑफ गोवा. सो ड्रिंकिंग वाइन ऑन द बीच ऑफ गोवा इज जेनेटिक. मीन्स आपके दादा, आपके पापा, आप, देन आपके नेक्स्ट जनरेशन, सब लोगों को बहुत पसंद है बीच पर, गोवा के बीचेस पर वाइन पीना. सो इट इज जेनेटिक. एंड इक्विटेबल शेयरिंग, जब आप बीच पर गोवा पीते बीच में गोवा के बीच पर अल्कोहल पीते हैं, वाइन पीते हैं, सो यू शेयर इट विद योर फ्रेंड्स. आप अकेले कोई पीते हैं, अकेले पीकर यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू एंजॉय. सो यू शेयर इट विद योर फ्रेंड्स, यू शेयर इट विद योर सिबलिंग्स. So genetic resources because it is genetic, and equitable sharing because you share wine with your friends. So Nagoya Protocol. Then Stockholm Convention. Stockholm. Can we pick up this stock from here? Stock. So now since pollution is a very major event, every now and then we hear news of pollution, air pollution. So Stockholm. Stock. Air pollution की वजह से organic pollutants, these pollutants are in great stock. Just imagine कि air में when you breathe you feel that something is choking your windpipe because बहुत सारे pollutants हैं. So stock of pollutants. So Stockholm Convention, stock, and stock से you will remember pollutants. So persistent organic pollutants. Then Vienna Convention. Now this Vienna, can I change it, this Vienna to van? So van. And it's a convention for the protection of ozone layer, ozone. Now van, the roof of van protects you from ultraviolet rays, that is ozone rays, ozone layer. So van की जो roof होती है वो आपको ultraviolet rays या ozone layer जो bad rays होती है उससे protect करती है. So convention for the protection of ozone layer, because the roof of the van protects you from the harmful rays. एंड हार्मफुल रेज के लिए ओजोन लेयर जरूरी है प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए. सो वैन से रूफ, एंड कन्वेंशन फॉर द प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ ओजोन लेयर. देन क्योटो प्रोटोकॉल. क्योटो से टोयोटा कार से टोयोटो. ओके, टोयोटो आई कैन से क्योटो से टोयोटा कार, एंड टोयोटा का आई चेंज इट टू टोयोटो. सो इंटरनेशनल प्रोटोकॉल, क्योटो से टोयोटो, एंड टोयोटो से आई चेंज इट इनटू टोयोटा. So international protocol to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. अब greenhouse gases are released from automobiles. So Toyota के engines अब बदले जाएंगे. Why? To give place for new engines so that we can reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Minamata. Meena. We can imagine a girl named Meena, and Mata is Mala. I can change this to Mala. So Meena ki Mala, Minamata, Meena ki Mala, garland. So just imagine it's an international environmental treaty intended to protect health and the environment from the adverse effects of mercury. Now mercury is transparent, very shiny. So just imagine कि मीना की माला जो है वो बहुत ही shiny, diamond की तरह एकदम shine करती है. So when you ask that is it made of diamond, so she says no, it's made of mercury. Okay, so Minamata, so mercury, conservation or protection of environment from the adverse effects of mercury. Now let's practice questions. But before practicing, let me revise it for you. Ramsar, Lord Ram. So with the grace of Lord Ram, the lands get wet. Basal, airbase. Airbase pe you are not allowed to carry any hazardous wastes or dispose any hazardous wastes. Born, a child is born. So the mother does not want to send it to any other house of your relatives or anyone. So migratory species. Cartagena, cart, so bullock cart or cow dung, we said that cow dung, it is used for biofertilizer, so bio safety. Nagoya, Goa, this though you will never forget because Goa you drink alcohol, you drink wine on the beaches of Goa, so it is genetic and you share it with your friends. Stockholm, stock, whenever you will go out you will feel pollutants and you will feel the stock of pollutants in the pollution, so persistent organic pollutants. Vienna, van, the roof of the van protects you from ultraviolet rays, so protection of ozone layer. Kyoto, Toyota, so Toyota car, you need to change the engine because of its reduction in greenhouse gas emissions. You want the reduction in greenhouse gas emissions. Minamata, Meena ki Mala, that was very shiny. When you asked it that is it made of diamond, she said no, it's made of mercury. So I hope you are able to learn this now and here itself. Now let's practice some questions. You can pause the video, answer yourself, and then you can cross-check your answers. Which of the following is a convention for the protection of ozone layer? Very simple. Ozone, तो roof हमें बचाती है harmful rays से. Roof किसकी? Van की. So Vienna Convention. So the answer is D. आपको options पढ़ने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. Without options you will be able to answer. And see, hence there is a reduced scope of negative marking. आपको very clearly you will be able to distinguish the answer. Then Nagoya Protocol is associated with Nagoya, Goa, so beach, alcohol, genetic and sharing. So it's B, access to genetic resources and sharing of benefits. So the answer is B. But if we revise for others also, protection of health from mercury, Minamata, Minakimala, transboundary movements of hazardous, so air-based, so Basel Convention, conservation of migratory species, migratory, so childbirth, born, so Bonn Convention. See how clearly you are able to make all of them. Then the last question, match the following pairs correctly. Minamata, without options, let's see. Minamata, Minakimala, so very shiny, made of mercury, so mercury is here. So first ka hai C. Then for basal, air-based, transboundary, that is hazardous wastes. You are not supposed to throw, to dispose, so hazardous wastes. So second is D. Then Cartagena, cart, bullock cart, cow dung, so biosafety. So this one is this A option, protocol on biosafety. And finally Bonn Convention, a child is born, mother does not want to give it to anyone, so she doesn't want to migrate her child, so born migratory, so B option. So finally we have over here 1C, 2D, 3A and finally 4B, that is CDAB. So CDAB. So that means answer is C option. So I hope you liked the video. Please share and subscribe the video. Subscribe the channel for more amazing videos. Stay tuned. Have a good day.